Computer Room Nottingham. What I've got here is a part movie for the 5th gen iPod Touch. It's a rear housing for the device in black. As you can see, this is it from the outside with the Apple symbol and iPod on there. This is it from the inside where everything sort of fits and gets screwed into. Now, if you've got any questions about this item or anything else that you've seen on our website, please do get in touch. The device can be sent in the post if ordered off the website, or it can be picked up from us in person.